Take 5 cups of cooked rice, 2 sliced capsicum about 80 grams, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 sliced onions about 110 grams, half inch finely chopped ginger, half cup green peas about 90 grams, 1 chopped carrot about 60 grams, 2 chopped tomatoes about 180 grams, finely chopped 5 garlic cloves, 80 grams chopped French beans.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 10 to 15 curry leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, and stir fry for few seconds on low flame. Now add green chili, garlic, ginger, onion, and stir fry for a minute on medium to low flame. Now we'll add carrot, green peas, French beans, tomato, capsicum, now let it cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Sprinkle little water to avoid sticking it to the pot and let it cook on low flame for a minute. Now we'll add half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoons Sabzi Masala, now let it cook on low flame for a minute. Again sprinkle water so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Now let it cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add the cooked rice. Now turn off the flame and mix it well. And a veg pulao is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!